Hey everyone, looking for a healthy way to boost your energy and immunity naturally? Today, I'm going to show you how to cook moringa leaves the right way, keeping all the nutrients locked in and the flavor just right. But before we start, if you're looking for a convenient daily dose of moringa without the prep work, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. It's a powerful dietary supplement packed with all the goodness of moringa in an easy-to-use form. Link in the description below. Moringa leaves, also known as drumstick leaves, are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But the way you cook them can either preserve or destroy those amazing benefits. Here's how to do it right. First, rinse the moringa leaves thoroughly under running water. These leaves can carry a bit of dust, so make sure they're super clean. Remove them from the stems, as the stems can be a bit tough to eat. Next, bring some water to a gentle boil. Don't go full-on boiling. We just want to blanch the leaves for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps reduce bitterness while keeping the nutrients intact. After blanching, strain the leaves and immediately transfer them to a bowl of cold water. This stops the cooking process and helps retain that bright green color. Now for the magic. Heat a bit of olive or coconut oil in a pan. Toss in some chopped garlic and onions. Once they're golden, add your moringa leaves and sauté for just 3 to 4 minutes. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, and that's it. You can enjoy this as a side dish, mix it into rice, or even stir it into soups. So flavorful and packed with nutrients. This is how moringa should be cooked, gently and with care. And hey, if you're always on the go or just want an easier way to enjoy the benefits of moringa every day, try the Moringa Magic Supplement. It's made from high-quality moringa leaf extract and is perfect for busy lifestyles. Link in the description below. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Eat clean, live green, and don't forget your daily dose of moringa magic. Link in the description below. See you in the next video.